For the machine patch, you need a piece of fabric with a pretty big hole, a piece of net that is bigger than the hole, and a piece of scrap fabric that is also bigger than the hole. Lay the net on the face of the fabric and mark out a rectangular or square shape. Stitch the net to the face, stopping very precisely in the corners, and starting and stopping in the middle of a straight piece, not in the corners. Then trim, clip, and press. Here it is pressed. I've rolled it just slightly to the inside, so we see just a little bit of the wool on the inside and none of the net on the outside. The patch is laid behind the opening and pinned so that the pattern on the patch matches the pattern on the face. When you stitch just inside the line where you joined the net to the face and press, you can barely see it.